Happy Halloween, everybody! Today, I've got 6 super easy and inexpensive DIYs I know you're gonna love. There are some spooky skeletons and some gorgeous ghosts that will make you smile and make your house dazzle with Halloween decor. I got most of my supplies from Dollar Tree. So what do you say? Let's get started, and let's get started having some fun. Happy Halloween! Hey everybody, I'm Soozie, and this is Soozie's Stuff. Welcome to station KDIY Channel 146. I'm so happy you're here. I would love it if you'd click and subscribe, and then click the bell to be notified when I upload a new episode. And if you like what you see, give me a thumbs up or even a comment. So don't touch that dial. Let's go make some stuff. And to welcome us today, to get started, is my welcome ghost. I have this old frame that I'm starting out with. I'm not even sure where it came from. My mom had it, so we're going to be using that. But you could use any frame you like. A welcome sign from Dollar Tree, and this new plastic skeleton that I found at Dollar Tree. Now, a lot of their supplies are dwindling in the Halloween area, so get out now. They still have a lot, but they are starting to put out their Christmas stuff. So grab it when you can. But I just took some black acrylic paint and painted my frame black. And now I'm using some foam board to fill in the back because I didn't have a back to this frame. I have a book of all kinds of scrapbook paper that I did pick up at Walmart. I couldn't find the little book of it to show you, but I did get it at Walmart. But you could use any type of scrapbook paper that you like to put as your background. One of the things I just recently purchased on Amazon was this Mod Podge roller. Now, even though I'm not using Mod Podge, I used a glue stick. I'm really starting to love this and not being so scared of Mod Podge anymore, because that roller really does help. And it also came with a little scraper, smoother out thing. So I love that new tool that I got. So I'm just gonna very lightly hot glue that in case I ever want to change that. So I thought that was a really cool background for our welcome skeleton. And here he is. We're going to sort of carve him up a little bit because I don't need to use all of him. I just cut off the top, and I really just need the bottom half of him. So I'm just gonna pull out the legs. They were super easy to pull apart, and then we're gonna do a little surgery on him. So I wanted it to look like our friend here is just popping right out of the frame, that he is so excited to greet us at the door, that he is welcoming us to Halloween. I just think he is so cute. He has the cutest little face, not scary at all. And one of the things I was thinking about as I was putting him together is, should I rough him up a little bit, maybe add, some black paint or even some of that textured paint? But he is plastic, and that's always hard to paint on, and so I would have to kind of maybe put some Mod Podge on first. And I just was so excited to get this DIY put together that I did not do that, and I think he looks great just the way he is. And then I added the welcome sign down at the bottom. I just think he is adorable. This was so easy and quick to put together. And he's sitting in my front hallway welcoming all my guests to my home. And so I love this, and I hope you do too. Now there's a little spot of hot glue there I see I need to scrape up, but he is adorable. Enjoy putting your welcome skeleton together today. Ooh. And continuing on with our Halloween fun is my big fun ghost. And these are some supplies from Dollar Tree: a plastic ball, a plunger, a handle. But these are from Walmart, which I didn't even use, but they are so cute. I love to have them on hand. They're called little finishing caps. An old sheet that you have. And I have this little, I got off the bottom, and I have this little plaque thing that I got at Dollar Tree, and I cut a hole in the bottom of it so that it makes for the stand. And then I just kind of push the ball right on top of the handle. So let's get ready to put it all together. So I first used a little bit of spackle because I didn't have the right tool to look, it's 3D. I put some spackle down in there in that hole. But anyway, I did paint it with some brown paint, and now I'm just kind of scuffing it up a little bit. I did hot glue it down in that hole, and I did paint the ball just a little bit white on top. The sheet's going to cover it anyway. I just wanted to make sure none of that blue kind of peeked through. So this sheet is sort of kind of roundish, a little whatever. You could do square, round, whatever. And I took my tweezers and ran around the whole thing and kind of pulled it and made it kind of, kind of old looking. And I actually liked it just the way it is, but I just wanted to put some cute touches to it. This is some raffia that I just tied a little bow for him. And these are some black beads that I got in a pack of wooden beads from Amazon. I'll link them down below. And I did have a little piece of twine for his mouth. Now, this cracks me up because you're viewing this from the top view and the eyes look like they are so bulging out. But it does look so cute when you look on it normal. You'll see here in just a little bit. But I put those on, and then the little twine is the mouth. And if you don't have any of these letters from Walmart, they are so cute. You better run out and get them now because they are so great to have on hand. They make anything look so cute. So here he is all put together. He is smiling at us, having such a great time. And there are the letters. Boo! I just love how he came out. He is so cute. And there are so many ways that you can put him together. So have fun with your big, cute ghost today. And to make my little ghost family, I just continued on with the same method I used with the big, cute ghost. This is some old fabric that I had. It's not the sheet. It's just some like old towels that I had that were very thin. And then I have a little glass jar from Dollar Tree. All this is from Dollar Tree, except for the sheet or the towel. And I just put some little styrofoam balls on top and some rocks in the little jar and just put those right on top, made the sticks black, tied a little jute twine around it. I didn't even put any faces on this. I thought it was cute without, kind of rustic, kind of farmhouse looking. And here it is all put together, super quick, super fast. And how darling are they? I have them actually sitting in my kitchen on a shelf. They are so cute. So make your really sweet little ghost family so easy. And I bet you have all these supplies at home. Have fun. Ooh, I'm so excited about this next project. It's called Gel Cling Skeleton. And look at these so cool boards that they have now. It's called a wood hanging board. Yes, I have paint, and yes, I have a cut on my finger. But anyway, I'm using all of these supplies here on this really cool board. I've seen other crafters use them, and I'm like, I don't have them in my Dollar Tree. Well, the other day, there they were, and I grabbed a couple. I think they're so neat. Yay! So I painted a little part of it white, and then I'm going to paint this part black using some of the acrylic. Yeah, spill it everywhere there, Soozie. And so this is some of the black acrylic paint from Dollar Tree. It's okay. I like it. Yeah, it's a good filler to have. I don't think I would use any other colors in it. And so now I'm just going to be using a little piece of burlap ribbon. And then I have had this black rickrack forever. I don't even know where I got it, but you can find black rickrack anywhere. I love black rickrack. I like saying rickrack. Oh my gosh. And I just think it's so Halloween-y looking, and gives such a cute touch. So we're just gonna put that little piece on there, and I don't know why I did it right in the center, but sometimes you just do it how you do it. And we're just gonna glue that right on. So I think it looks really good with the burlap ribbon and the rickrack. So these gel window clings are so cool. I kind of have I think a love-hate relationship. They're so neat. When you pull them off, you think you're ruining it, but you're not. It pops right back into shape. And most of the time, I would say 95% of the time, it does stick at anything that you use, especially glass, of course, but I'm using this painted board. And it did stick, but there was one little leg piece there that I did hot glue on, those two at the bottom. I think the more that you stick it and put it on, it kind of loses its little touch, but you don't really have to glue it, but if you need to, you can put a little spot of hot glue on there. So I did have to have a little bow to kind of pull it all together, and this is so cute. I love how this came out. And I love that it's black and white, and it has a little spider, and you can hang it anywhere. I love this project. It was so quick and easy, and I hope that you love it too. And don't forget, they have those black tall candles, so that's perfect for Halloween. Enjoy. And oh yeah, I got to use my black rickrack. All right, and up next is called the Mop Head Ghost. I think this is one of the cutest and funniest things I've ever put together. It cracks me up, and I hope you enjoy it. I start off with this candle holder that was already white, and I'm sitting here thinking, did I paint it white? I don't remember, but I'm just going to be using that. One of those little mop kind of duster thingies from Dollar Tree, and then some of those letters. I'll tell you about the letters in a minute. But I'm just taking this little mop head thing and rolling it up, and I left the tag on there because it sort of gave it support. So keep the tag on there and then just roll it up and give it a spot of hot glue. Now he's going to the barbershop. He needs a little taken off on the sides and a little on the top. We're just going to kind of shape him into a little ghost. Just a few cuts here and there to give him sort of a head shape. I tell you, this project right here is what crafting is all about. Just having fun with something, and you never know how it's going to turn out. There's a lot of things you haven't even seen that I've done before that I didn't record. But just have fun with this. It is so cute. And so I think the shape turned out pretty well. And so look at these letters. I had them laying around, and I thought, what kind of eyes? I want to put some eyes on this, but what am I going to use? Well, look, the dot for the I and the J on these letters from Dollar Tree. And then I discovered, let's do a mouth. So I used the J. When I did it, it looks like he has a little tooth. Isn't that the cutest thing ever? And I was thinking, could I turn it upside down? It was already stuck, but you could turn it upside down and maybe make him a sad, meaner ghost with a tooth. But I thought that was hilarious that the little J cut down would make a little cute mouth for our ghost. How darling is he? You could make 3 of them and put them all together. I just added a bow. Or you could put the bow down below, maybe like a little bow tie, but have fun. This is the cutest thing ever. Enjoy your Mop Head Ghost today. Woohoo! And now it's time for my question of the week. Do you dress up for Halloween? And what was your best costume? Mine was Judge Judy. I had such a ball putting this together. And now here are some more. I'm an airline pilot. Buckle up! Look, I can go as an actual DIY. Let's go to the spa and get a mani-pedi. Hello, I can go as a little Englishman. Tally-ho. Wow, look, it's fall. I'm a fall person. I'm just going to the beach. Hey everybody, check out some of my farmhouse decor. Well, those were some fun virtual dress-ups, but answer your question down below in my comments. I would love to hear your great stories. And for my last project today is called Creepy Hens. And these are some plastic skeleton hands from Dollar Tree, a paint stick, and these are 2 old cans that I had. One is the tomato paste and the other one's just a regular soup can. And I've had these way back from Christmas. I made them. I poured some cement inside. And now I just painted the hands black. And I'm using my miter shears to kind of cut them off a little bit. And we're going to glue those right inside. What I did to make them stand up is just use some of the little tower blocks to put in on each side and a bunch of hot glue, and then you stick it in and then you put the other tower block in there. Yeah, well, it works. I just needed another hand. No, I have one, the skeleton hand. Oh, that's a self-made joke there. Oh boy, DIYing is so much fun. So now I'm just adding a little bit of the moss in there, and we're just gonna clean up a little bit. And look at that, oh, so scary. You could use any type of holder to put the hands in, a jar, whatever. And these cans I had painted with some gray and black and white paint to sort of, give them a old feel to them. And then the paint stick, I just cut off the end, the handle part, painted it white, scuffed it up a little bit, and we are ready to roll with that. I used my little letter blocks on this project. Again, like I said, I got them at Walmart. They are so fun to use, and you get a lot for what you pay. I think it's like $2 or $3 for a huge bag. But I had these little window clings, these little gel clings in the pumpkins from Dollar Tree, and the black and white pumpkin fit perfectly. I did add just a little dot of glue on there to make sure he stayed in place. And now we're ready to put it into our hands. And how cute is that? The hands are holding our sign, and it came together so cute. There are so many things that you can use with these hands. You could do just one. They could hold like maybe a wooden bead garland. That would be cute. Or maybe just make like a garland, hanging from each hand, like little pennants on it. So have fun with your creepy hands and make yours today. And there you have it, our spooky skeletons and gorgeous ghosts. I hope you enjoyed this episode. I had so much fun bringing it to you, and I hope you enjoyed my question. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. And I got all of those virtual costumes from Instagram, so find some cute ones. Maybe it'll give you some ideas. So thank you for joining me on this episode. And also, I want you to join me on Tuesday, this coming Tuesday on October 5th. I'm going to do a special. I normally do my 60-second DIY, but this is going to be a bonus called You've Been Booed Ideas. You know, when people do that in the office or at schools or whatever. And then I'm going to show you some last-minute Halloween decor. So I also want to thank all my subscribers. Thank you for joining me and my new subscribers. Don't forget, Tuesdays, I normally do my 60-second DIY, but this is a special one this Tuesday. So thanks for joining me on Soozie Stuff, KDIY Channel 146. Bye, everybody.